Artboards, and welcome to today's shortcut. Today's shortcut is pasting on a lot of artboards. When I open a document with a few artboards, I can do it there, or otherwise always press Ctrl N, the shortcut, to open a new document. And once again, I can choose however many artboards I want from there. And say I'm working with a logo, so I've got this logo on my top left corner. I just give it some color to make it look interesting. And I want to paste this on each one of the artboards. So obviously I can always drag this and hold Alt and paste it on each one, etc. But this is quite a time-consuming option. The quicker option is just to press Ctrl or Command C. That's just to copy the object, or otherwise Ctrl or Command X to cut it, and to paste them on all the artboards in the top right, the top left corner, or wherever this logo was placed on the chosen artboard. You press Ctrl Shift Alt V or Command Option Shift V, and presto, the logos will appear on all the artboards, each one in the same place. So that's that for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.